So first of all, we have to select our t-shirt or dress. So I'm going to selecting the quick selection tool and selecting this t-shirt. Once you selected your cloth, now just press Ctrl Z, and here we can see my cloth successfully cut out. Now open your file explorer and just drag and add your pattern photo, and now you can resize your pattern photo just like so, and click on OK. Now right click on your pattern layer and click on create clipping mask, and now we have to add a blending mode. So click on this blending mode option and select multiply, and here you can see I've added pattern to this clothing.